In this video, we will be showing on how to set up SANYO DENKI Cylinder Linear Servo Motor for testing purpose. By the end of this video, you will be able to perform manual choke operation and simple positioning operation. Here are the configuration. We have Cylinder Linear Servo Motor, RF2 series amplifier, PC communication cable with USB serial converter connected to laptop or PC pre-installed with SANMotion motor setup software, and amplifier power supply cable. Firstly, we connect motor power supply cable to MOT1 port. Motor encoder cable to amplifier EN1 port. Amplifier power supply cable to CNA port. And PC communication cable to PC port. Make sure all the wiring is connected properly. Move the shaft to the most extend position before turning on the power supply, or the motor might not move properly. Once ready, turn on the power supply. We can see here that AL1 and AL2 alarm indicator are blinking. Before we can actually run this motor, there are some parameters that we need to modify first. For parameter modification, open SANMotion motor setup software from connected laptop or PC. Click COM tab. COM auto allocate and click OK to start scanning for connected amplifier. Click OK. Then click Connect All to connect with all available axes. Once all connected, which indicated by green indicator, click Close. To access parameter for axis 1, click axis 1, parameter, then each group. Setting of each group parameter window for axis 1 is open. From here, we can modify motor parameter to suit our application. These are the parameters that need to be changed. Firstly, we need to change motor model parameter value, which located under motor parameter group. Click Select from the list. Select motor model number that is connected to amplifier, then click OK. Go to System Group and change encoder resolution setting. Sensor type. CS offset value. And axis enable setting. Under Group C, change axis interlock mask parameter value to disable. Then click Write in Amplifier to send new parameter to amplifier. Close the window and go to Axis 2. Open setting of each group parameter window for Axis 2 and change parameter value same as Axis 1. Send the new parameter and close the window. For Axis 3 and 4, which we are not connecting any motor to it, change Axis enable parameter value to disable. Then click Write in Amplifier to send the parameter to amplifier. If you notice here, some of parameter have this star mark, which is mean that the power supply re-input is required before the change value become effective. Click Offline button for turn off the power supply to disconnect software with amplifier. Turn off the power supply. Wait a few seconds. Then turn on back the power supply. We can see that AL1 and AL2 indicators are not blinking anymore because we already set the correct parameters for each axis. Now we can perform jog operation through SANYO Motor Setup software. Double-click Axis 1 to reconnect. For jog operation, click Test Operation, then click Jog Operation. When performing jog operation, make sure to click this option to avoid alarm of test run close error when closing this window. Click Servo On to enable servo motor. Click negative direction or positive direction to move motor shaft. You can change jog velocity, acceleration and deceleration by clicking Edit button. After change the value, press Enter or click Decision to confirm. You can also monitor motor status, actual velocity and actual position value from this window. Click Servo Off to disable servo motor. Click X to close jog operation window. The other test operation that can be done from here is positioning operation. Click Positioning Operation to open its test operation window. Same as jog operation, make sure to click this option to avoid alarm of test run close error when closing this window. Change direction, velocity, acceleration and deceleration, position command and rest time based on required operating condition. You can add another operation line by clicking Add button. Click Servo On to enable servo motor. Click Step to start operation line by line. Click Start to start operation from beginning until end continuously. You can loop operating sequence by ticking loop sequence and indicate continuous count value. Click Servo Off to disable servo motor. Click X to close positioning operation window. For Axis 2, you can perform jog operation and positioning operation using the same method as Axis 1. Once done, click Offline button to disconnect software with amplifier.